Yo. Good morning.
Yo. Good morning.
What we
Good
doing?
morning, YouTube. Good morning, Discord. Good morning, Inosh.
Good morning, George. Good morning, everybody.
How you doing, brother?
I'm doing good. Amazing. How are you?
Blessed, brother. Blessed to be alive.
Nice.
Good morning, Alex, Harsh, TND, Mohith, and Steve. Upendra, Zar, Iconic, Carlos, BK, Akert. Good morning, gang. Hope everyone is feeling amazing. Ready to get another day started. Cody seems to be slightly more chilled. Slightly.
Yo, what's good, you brother?
Good morning, Aaron. Good morning, my brother.
Good morning,
How
Aaron.
y'all doing? How y'all doing? Good morning, you Nosh. Yes, sir.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Did you take your payouts, bro?
I did not request my payout yet.
George, come on.
We're gonna request it together today.
Damn, y'all should have told me.
I'll probably, regardless of what happens today, I'll probably request it today.
Yeah, I just need one more win.
W.
W.
Let's get it.
W.
Let's
Alrighty.
get that in.
Let's pray and then check out these markets, shall we?
Yes.
Alrighty. Okay. Dear Heavenly Father, we come before you this morning in so much gratitude, Lord. We're just so thankful to be here, to be a part of this community, to be able to come together. And I just pray that you just bless us, bless the session, bless every single person that comes in and out of the YouTube and the Discord throughout the entire day. And I just ask that you'll be the lamp unto my feet and the light unto my path, our path and our feet, Lord. I just ask that you go before us and just guide us. Lord, I ask that you will just grant us your wisdom, that we may be more decisive on the things that we are either seeing on the markets or outside of the markets. Lord, I just pray for your ultimate guidance, that we will just align our decisions with the path that you have perfectly designed for each and every one of us. I just want to thank you that we're able to all get together and sharpen each other and just make each other better every single day, Lord. We thank you and we give you all the praise and all the glory. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Amen, brother. W. Big W.
Knowles. Good morning, Knowles. LeGrand. Good morning. Calimera.
LeGrand.
Orchid. We got Orchid, Tamer.
Tamer's here? Hey, Tamer. What's up, brother? Been too long.
Hey, Tamer was there last night too.
DMD,
Tamer.
of course. Mohit, Trader Steve, Carlos Luna, BK, Alex, Iconic,
Carlos Luna.
Andra. Yeah. And then
DP Ham.
yeah, your name is blurred out because of my streamer mode. But welcome. Okay. Let's break it down. Shall we?
Break it down now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, so let's have a look. We had a insane pullback from all these bullish candles we had on the daily. We were on a run up and then we just crashed down. And looks like we might build some support here on the daily. Yesterday this daily pushed down like what, 4,000 pips, pulled back pretty good, close above these daily supports, and this current daily just opened up no bottom wick and broke the previous daily highs. So let's See how that looks on the 4 hour. Yeah, so the 4 hour is basically running into some resistances here. We have a nice bullish move up on these 2 previous 4 hours. Broke out from this resistance. We had a support here, and then this one built the range all the way up until this 4 support. So this is gonna be interesting what we're gonna do on this next 4 hour. Overall the trend is bullish right now for the day, of course. So let's see if we can catch some trades on the lower time frames. The 1 hour says we also just broke out from a range and are now currently inside this range. Yeah, a 30-minute can adjust that a little bit. Also looks the same. Little breakout going on. Got the 15-minute. Yeah, I'd say this is pretty much the range we're in right now. We have the 4 hour that just opened up. So yeah, I'm expecting a bottom wick maybe to come down into these areas, and then closure above this would be pretty good, because then if you get a bottom wick and then close back above here, we would break the previous 4 hour highs with that too. And then on the rebreak of these highs, you know, I think we can get a wick fill, maybe target this 4 hour wick and this resistance, 4 hour wick and this resistance, if we continue bullish. Otherwise, if we want to come down, because the daily has no bottom wick, we would need like a range 2 for me to take sells. But I might be open for that too today. I just gotta look at price and everything. So yeah, we will see if they appear.
Yes, sir.
And that's pretty much it.
I agree. Sure.
That is it. That is it.
W, bro. Marlon, where you been, bro?
Marlon been here. I seen him.
Good morning, Marlon.
Marlon, let's go.
Good to see you, bro. Good morning, Spine.
Marlon, I only know one other Marlon in my life. Like,
I don't know another Marlon.
See, that's what I mean. Legit. Hey, that's the way to do it.
W, Marlon. W, bro.
Nice.
Yeah, Top Sec, like Project X is such a good platform, man. Look, lately there's been a lot of gaps, which was never really a thing. But other than that, it's great.
Good morning, Spine. Yeah, I love Top Step X.
Yeah.
Aaron, sorry.
No, I was gonna say I really want to see us break above here on the 15.
Yeah.
Get to that next resistance.
Would like kind of like a steeper bottom wick first, but
true.
Would be nice if we at least grabbed the 15 lows for the 4 hour bottom wick, you know? Maybe.
Right.
Yeah.
Probably won't trust the breakout. I mean, it's so bullish, but I just don't want to lose on a breakout again, man. I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of breakouts. If you like the breakout, of course, go for it. I think.
Go for it.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
you ain't gonna be the guinea pig.
it's just I don't know. My journal says breakouts are my worst place, so I will only take breakouts now when I
Come on.
yeah, when I see it like perfectly setting up and everything is like, all right, that's a nice breakout. But Here, for example, I'd say, nah, I'm missing kind of bottom wick, a liquidity grab to the downside to be sure. But
I
yeah,
feel that. I feel that.
I'm just playing it
Sorry,
safe
came
because
late.
I'm close to a payout. You know, I just
Yeah, for sure, bro.
I want one good trade.
That's super smart, actually. Like, that's not, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's account management, um, like smart trading, everything. You know,
Yeah,
would you
just
take a
patient.
even riskier play when you're close to a payout? That just makes no sense.
Yeah, just be patient, wait on a really good setup, and then you can even go like higher risk on that, make some more money, but you have the confidence to be in that position, you know? And then if you take a loss, then it's like, all right, man, it was a good trade. And it's not, man, I hate breakouts. Why did I take the breakout again, you know?
Right.
Yeah. Look, breakouts that are forming a support are better, but
Mhm.
just a breakout, yeah, bro, I can't stand them.
At least in these
Give me
market
930, sure,
conditions.
maybe I will look at it.
Sometimes
Right.
sometimes you have gold market conditions where breakouts play out a lot, I guess. But right, like in these past year, I think breakouts were more of a fake out.
Yeah, yeah. I see what you mean. Like they trap you more
I
than
Yeah,
to
they
like
agree.
trapped you.
breakout.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah,
Um,
like I said, if it's a 30-minute support and a breakout, I think it's different, yeah. But if it's just like a second 30-minute candle just breaking out of the range,
True.
I don't know. Yeah. Um,
Ari came late. Can
yo,
someone
Aaron,
explain
you
the
wanna?
trade, please?
Yeah,
Yeah, Tamir.
yeah.
So basically, I just went long, like after a bullish impulse, and then the higher low pulled back a little bit, and then price held the structure a little bit and was consolidating, and then I had a higher time frame like bias anyways to the upside, so I went down to the lower time frames, and basically saw the continuation breakout in the trend direction, and then took it off the 5 minute. Off obviously 1 minute as well, and kept the stops below, and then bro, it just took off. So then I just went break even. Then I was like, you know what? Let me just, since it's combine, let me just see how this one plays out, since it took off so strong on the bullish impulse. And yeah, so now I'm just seeing if we can break out through this range basically, and then get the full TP. And if it starts creating some like support here and stuff like that, then maybe I just take it. But let's see what happens.
Looks good. W, man.
Yep. Thank you, brother. And it was just a little bit before we started too. I just happened to be looking at the market.
Yeah. Yeah, I was a little bit late to the desk
Yeah,
today,
totally.
but all good. Nice trade.
For us, da was nichts.
That was nothing.
Yo.
Das ist wahr, brother.
Trader Steve on YouTube. D&D showing some love on YouTube. We got Nolds.
Hey,
W. Thank you so much.
let's go.
Madam, whoa. Joking.
Hey, I heard AB had a banger Asian session yesterday. Is that true?
I'm not sure. I was
Word
sleeping,
on the
so
street. I was sleeping too. I don't know. Usually.
anyone
I was sleeping too.
anyone here who traded Asia? Yes and no.
Oh no.
Yes,
What happened?
Yes,
Oh no.
he fell asleep.
Tell us TND.
So yeah, this 15 broke out, but it kind of closed with no top wick too, so I'm holding off. Could definitely drive because we have a lot of bullish pressure right now, but it's just not a setup that I would be willing to risk my money on right now, because I think there's just better setups coming up, and
True.
I'm gonna wait on that.
And if you take this, like, to go back to our conversation yesterday, like sometimes the simplest things are best. Like you're trying to buy at the high, like, you know what I mean. And what's like one of the first things we learn in trading is like, don't buy high, don't stop, you know what I mean. So
True.
I think the better, like, you're correct by waiting for a better position, you know what I mean, just in general.
Yep. Yep. Buy high, sell low, right? That's what they
Yep.
say.
That's what they say, but price keeps going up. Aaron,
ASD.
how do you explain to buy a 48?
ASD, good morning.
Good morning, ASD.
Oh, George, I'm just noticing.
Yeah,
You got music on, right? Yeah.
I do.
Okay. My
Oh,
bad.
sorry, bro.
I
I
just
actually
noticed
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 giving
that
a
too, even though I
disclaimer.
noticed the whole time. Yeah.
Yeah, I just noticed it just now, so my bad.
Sorry, bro.
Was like so low in the background. I didn't even realize.
I can turn it off.
I turned your stream volume down, so all good.
Okay. Okay.
You can keep your music, no worries.
Thank you, sir. Martin, it's the new strat, bro. Buy high, sell low. Trade gold live with us.
Wow, and I think I'm not streaming my music for this. Yep. Sorry. Discord. Now you got the music too, if you want.
Nice. Ooh, Cindy, where'd you close, bro? Oh, you closed there, and AB told you to hold for the rest of the day.
All right. D&D, AB will always say to hold it to the end of the day. Does it always play out? Yes, but I mean, he will always say hold to the end of the day.
Oh, you guys only caught 1,500 pips. Dang, what a bad
Dang.
Asia session again.
Sounds like no movement. Hey, Alison, I see you.
Morning, Allison. What else new we got here? Taz. SK. Anu. Good morning.
And also, if you guys are in the YouTube, just so you know, we have a Discord available for free. You guys can come in here and join us. You can see my chart, you can see George's chart, and you can see Eunice's chart, like the one that you see now on YouTube. We have a great community in here, great vibes, and yeah, so join us. You can also see all the charts on time with no delay. Just to let everybody know, join us in Discord.
Sir.
Let's have a look at silver. What
So
was going on?
Cindy-
Oh yeah.
Nah, you're good.
Silver's crazy, bro.
Yeah. Silver looks a
I
little
enjoy trading
bit,
it, just can't be wrong.
little bit
But yeah.
less bullish than gold.
Yeah.
We didn't break the previous highs yet. This candle didn't close above these supports, so silver's looking a little bit more bearish on the daily. This forward closed below this support resistance, but the current forward already broke the highs. 1 hour is currently facing some resistances, so there's gonna be a reaction. We have a 30-minute resistance, and yeah, there's also nothing on silver right now. Also a kind of 50-minute breakout, but this shows no top wick at all, and closed right before this resistance, so price is pretty much stuck in this. I'd say same thing for silver. We need a pullback so the forward can get a bottom wick, come maybe into these supports, and then form a support here and take the buys up, because right now it's too high to buy.
Morning, Taz. Alex, tell everyone.
So TD, what I understood from that is that AB 1.0, so OG, the copy, or the original, hit SL, and then AB 2.0, the Prodigy, the upgraded copied version, hit TP. Is that right? I was making chime.
Yeah, he's making shy right now.
Jai.
So when I set up for letting my okay, not better legs. Yeah, which time frame? Which time? I think these 15 buys are pretty decent. Alex. ASD, I mean. The 15 support. Do you want to go there, AB? I mean, what is wrong with me? If you want to go there, you know.
Yeah, talking about
Have
AB.
15 support in the range.
Talking about AB, show some love on IG. Introducing
True.
AB Mike, Mr. 1000 pips in normal market conditions. We have him next up for 5 questions on our IG reel. Yeah. If you haven't left a like there yet, please show some love for the GOAT.
I don't think I have some.
Dang.
Go in there now.
Oh, bro. That's cold blooded. I ain't liking it. W boys.
I did like it.
Good boy.
Hey, Benji.
Benji. Morning.
It's Benji. All right. I think it's time for that word of the day. I just feel it. Feel like it's time for the word. And today, we got Psalms 23:4. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil. For you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. Amen. Beautiful.
Amen.
Psalms 23:4.
Love that verse. Amen.
You can relate that to trading too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
As long as you
I ain't
have
gonna lie.
your strategy and your system and you have like the proven data to it, then you shouldn't be scared to take trades based on it.
I was gonna say, I feel like every verse kind of relates to trading. and stuff.
Yeah, I mean, that's true. Are you still playing poker, Aaron? Benji's asking.
Yeah. Benji, yeah, bro, I am still playing poker, but I need to get back on it on the streaming playing poker part. So my bad, bro. Yeah, I didn't know I had fans like that, but hey, I'm gonna get back on it, bro. Now.
You play at high stakes, Aaron. Then you'll have me
I
as
know
a
that's
fan.
what it is. But I'm trying to keep my money, you know. Like...
I mean, but when you're betting 25 cents, bro, just don't be surprised if I don't pull up, you know?
all right.
That's all
How
I'm
much?
saying.
How much do I gotta bet for you to pull up?
$10.
All right.
Your buy-in must be at least $1,000.
Yo,
Okay, fine.
alright.
Hey,
Alright,
I'm
George.
going all in person, just for George.
I'm going like $10 from like 25 cents to $10 and you go 1,000.
Look, you
Look,
said
look,
bet
look.
$10, so you can bet $10 on a 1,000 buy.
Yeah, play 10 hands.
But you know me, bro.
Play 10 hands, $10 so that you can lose max 100.
But see, the problem is,
Yeah, exactly.
if I get ran, and I lose, I'm not gonna be able to handle it, George. And then I'm gonna buy back in, and then I'm out 2,000 instead of just being out like $20.
Just thinking
that
I'll
makes sense.
take all your munch money.
Yo, Aaron, you need to gamble so that I don't feel the need to. You know,
Okay, that's true. That's true.
if
take
I
one for the
watch
team.
you gamble, I will never want to sit down at the table. You know.
That's true. That's very true. You know what? Let me take one for the team so everyone can watch me gamble and then they can see how it goes and they're like, all right, good, good. I'm glad that's not me. And then everyone can win. You guys can all call me dumb in the chat. It's great. It's great.
Good morning, Joel. Good morning,
Jamil.
Jamil.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, Benji, bro. The thing is, like, I also had some many Instagram reels where people are betting millions, and now, like, anything lower than that, I'm like, why are you playing, bro?
A man just can't have fun no more, you know.
Poker's fun though. It is a
Yeah.
fun game. My friends and
also
I
like
used to
the
play
pub-
with like beans, bro. Uncooked beans. Those were our chips, bro.
That's actually hilarious.
Yeah.
I like also the probability factor in poker, you know? I think it relates to trading a lot in that terms, obviously.
Mm.
Not too many terms, but in that term, I do think it kind of relates to trading, and I like that about it.
Yeah. Exactly, Ben. He's gonna keep betting 10 cents, 10 cents. I'm like, all right, Aaron, watch this. And then I lose everything. And then I want to make it back.
He's like, watch this again. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Bro, I don't know what's crazier. The fact that, like, bro, this 5 MGC position is up 3,500. Like, this is crazy, bro.
Yeah.
5 MGC, bro. This doesn't even make sense.
Yeah. But you're up like 700 pips, so.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe that makes sense, but it don't look like that many
Beat AB's record, please, bro.
Oh, yeah, snap. Oh, okay. I gotta extend.
But he will never accept it because these are crazy market conditions.
He really wouldn't.
Trade is running.
Yeah, there's no real like logical way for me to get in these longs, so I just wait with
They'd be super risky. They'd be even riskier than, you know what I mean?
This 30 minutes is now also breaking out, but looking at the 30, I feel like we kind of need some red candle in between. Because we ran up already a huge amount, so maybe some support, some, you know, doji bearish closure above, and then we take the buys on the break of the highs, because then I have way more confirmation that we might continue going up from here.
Right.
If I now buy at the top and then we come down and get stopped, I look like an idiot because I bought the high. I don't want to look like an idiot, so.
You can don't worry. Once everyone
You
sees
might
your
feel
face,
like
they
an
will
idiot,
understand.
but you never look like one.
Right. Now me? I don't know.
Hey, yo, give me the hair you're having, and then I also look stupid.
The hair is the downfall. Is that what it is?
that thing is just too funny.
The
Man. You
downfall
look
to him.
you instantly look goofy if you wear that, man.
Oh, the giveaway hair, bro. That hair is amazing.
Asada said, bro, why your TB at 4499? Make it 4 or 5,000, please. You know what? You're right, bro. You're right. I got you. I can't though, so that's the best I can do, bro. Best I can do.
All right. Yeah, the good thing is if we don't get a trade, then Aaron gets full TP.
True.
So we can't even be
Yeah,
mad at
facts.
gold.
Oh,
Let's see.
Trying.
Let's look at your chart.
we might get 4 TP soon, bro.
It's pushing.
Yeah, Benji. I went long basically like after strong bullish impulse, made it like a higher low pullback, and then it held it
Oh, Aaron,
structure a little bit where I was looking at,
if you want,
and
your
consolidated a bit. And
chart is
I
on,
went.
bro. You
Oh, it
can.
is.
Yeah, you can show if you
You
want.
can't see it.
Yep.
Oh, sometimes when I look at it, it like goes off the screen for the Discord, which makes no sense. Sorry, my bad. It's because I was looking at it. So yeah, bro, I did that, and so basically my entry aligned with the higher time frame bias. I felt like it was. I didn't feel like I saw that it had bullish structure, and so yeah, took the bullish impulse from the higher low pullback, and then the continuation breakout and the trend took it. Obviously, it took off way more than I expected. That's why I didn't take like my TP. So I extended it and then moved my stops, and then wanted to see how it played out. But that is for sure how I got into the trade. So trend continuation long, yeah. Hey yo, ASD bro, if this doesn't hit my TP and it went to 4999, bro, I'm coming for you, bro. Just kidding, bro. Just kidding. W.
Yo.
And I got a 150 account, and I'm not gonna lie, guys, I did not even try to get this one. 150. W though.
W.
Was it a mistake? The 150?
No, it wasn't a mistake. It's just like, I didn't really like try to like. I didn't wake up this morning and was like, yo, I'm trying to get this 150 account. Like, you know what I mean? Like,
Oh,
it just happened basically. Let's go. Hey, ASD, thank you, bro, because maybe I would have to take another trade, and now I don't. So W, brother.
Another XFA in the bag.
How many pips do you get?
Right. How many pips I get? Too many. I'm not gonna lie.
Like 900 or something? 800?
Hey, you guys gotta tell AB because he won't believe me. He'd be like, Aaron definitely closed after 300 pips. I don't want to hear it.
1001, bro. Oh, good.
Yeah, that's what we got.
Is it really 1001? That's wild. You can't make this up.
That's funny.
I'm about to make an IG, see if AB sees it when he wakes up.
Yeah, TND, totally, yeah.
Yo, alright guys. I broke the record. Yes. We all know AB is the GOAT. Okay, that's not up for discussion. But the record, that's mine, baby. That's mine. I did it in front of the whole entire Discord. I got witnesses. It's not just my word.
Benji says that man can gamble, he's in FIFA and he can trade. What can't he do? Oh, hello? Discord? Hello? Dang, Discord is
Is it by?
Hello, hello.
Hello.
I don't know. Discord just died out.
Oh, okay. So it wasn't me.
Nah, it was mine. Wouldn't connect
But I
on
didn't hear
Discord.
Aaron either.
Oh, okay. Then it was just Discord in general, not only mine.
Yeah, yeah.
Dang, they have a lot of problems lately. It's annoying. What record? I think Aaron was talking about the pip record, right? For the most pips in one trade.
Yeah. You didn't hear me? I just explained it.
Yeah,
Like 5 seconds ago.
Discord was nah, I didn't hear you.
Oh, again?
Yeah.
I did it like right now. Like,
Oh, dang.
I read it, I said it, and then you said, what record?
Nah, I didn't hear you, man. I'm sorry. Discord is
That's
playing
funny,
us.
bro. I thought you were teasing me, bro.
Maybe Aaron is talking right now. We will not know.
We'll never know.
'Cause he's silent. He's silent.
Maybe he's recording something.
You got the 10,000 pip move and broke Discord. Yeah, I guess Discord can't handle all this.
Discord been a little bit wonky though.
Yeah, Benji didn't hear you either, so somehow
Oh,
Discord is
wow.
tripping.
Bugging a little bit.
There's Aaron back.
My bad. I was muted too.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how I
WJ.
heard that more clear, but
Bro. That's funny.
leave me alone.
Yeah, we're coming up to these resistances. I hope that we can get some sort of pullback, and then maybe for London Open, we get a support to be formed. Still got some time.
Did you, Aaron? You sure you got 1,001, bro?
I don't know. I just be
900.
repeating what people are saying, bro. You know.
Arkin
can't
said
even
that
imagine, bro.
you must say 1,001. But it's like
Everyone just
900
says
or something.
1,001. We don't know for sure. See the black.
Man, when I hear London Open.
AB typing.
When it's London Open, it's like it's time for a tea break. Everyone leaves the market.
Aaron, are you trading on Tradeify?
Yes.
Which MGC?
For Tradified, which MGC are you guys using? I can see a number of them. Yes. Hold on. Let me get you the correct so I don't say anything wrong. And I have a story for this after this to bring me back down to earth. Mm-hmm. Wait till I tell you guys the story. You're gonna be like, damn.
I love the humbling stories.
Mhm.
My favorite.
Because this is really important,
Hello.
Steve.
Hello?
Yo.
Hello.
Got AB.
He heard
Dang
the
it.
commotion.
Come on, AB.
Nobody
Come on,
catching
AB,
in
give me my
normal
props,
market
baby. Give me my
conditions.
props.
Bro.
AB
Don't worry,
4.0,
Aaron.
baby.
If it was so easy, he would have done it in these market conditions. That's all I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.
Good morning, AB. W Asian last night, bro.
Open trade
Not
away.
not yet. Not yet, Upendra. I'm gonna need some strong resistances here. But the problem is I'm bullish right now. The market's printing pretty heavily bullish. So I'm not just gonna be looking for a sell off of resistance. I'm gonna need a little bit more than that. Perhaps a range to form, meaning a resistance to form, and then we start ranging and then we close below a support. Then I will be interested in sell.
All right, Trader Steve, I gave it to you. MGC J6 is the correct thing. I think you should be good after that. So yeah, here's my story now. So yesterday, or whatever, I forget. Yeah, yesterday. So I took a payout, as you guys know, on Tradeify, and so on that count, basically, I took a trade yesterday, and I got my 150. And so I need 4 more days to take another payout, basically, you know. So I have another Tradeify account, a combine, and I was like, you know what, let me just trade this, blah blah blah. You guys already know. So apparently, I went in to go trade that other account, you know, and I took a trade accidentally on the main account, or not my main account, but on the account that I just got a payout on, which is funded, you know, and it was on the old thing. So like it said MGC like G whatever. So it's the one from last month, basically, Trader Steve. And I clicked it on accident, and then it entered me in the trade, and it automatically exited me out. And then I looked down at my P&L, and it said like minus 150. And I was like, oh, okay, that's fine, whatever. It's a little bit of like, that's annoying because I had a winning day already, whatever. So I'm like, let me just get my money back, because you guys know me. So let me get my winning day back. I go, bro, I take a banger trade. I make like 1,200 on this trade. And I'm like, oh man, we're gonna have a nice glorious payout in 4 more days. Bro, I wake up today and it says that I blew my account on this account, on this funded account. So basically it's trying to say that when I entered in that wrong position, it blew my account. Even though it said I only lost like 300 or 400, they're trying to say that the margin was bigger than that, and I blew that account. So yeah, yes, Allison. Yes, this is a real story. This also just happened to me.
Dang.
So yeah, really annoying, really frustrating. Basically, that would never even happen on Top Step, which is also annoying. But yeah, Trader Steve, it's very, 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 very important you have the right, you're trading the right chart and not, you know what I mean? I wrote support and I told them everything, and I'm trying to hear back from them, but so far nothing. But yeah, I mean, I also don't understand, because when this happened, like my account only went from plus like 150 to like minus 300. So it looked like, and it allowed me to trade again. So it was weird. I still don't understand the whole thing, but just everyone be careful, especially if you're with Tradeify, Tradeovate, Trading View. Make sure you're on the right chart, and yeah, just be very careful, double check, and so this does not happen to you. And I'll stop talking.
Yeah.
That's my story.
Dang.
Thanks for letting us know, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Adds up.
Hopefully it gets fixed, but I don't know.
The most important thing about a prop firm is that they pay.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm also glad I got the payout and then this happened. Imagine if I didn't get the payout yet and then this happened, I didn't even know, Then I'd be even more pissed, to be honest.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's how I think it should be, Allison. Like, they should configure it, and like Top Step does it, for example. But my bad. At least I know now. Double check. You know what I mean? And don't be just assuming things are all gonna be gravy. Just slow down, double check, and just make sure everything is looking good.
All things gonna be gravy. That's probably the most American thing I've heard you say, bro. W.
Little American.
I was
Already,
copying.
baby.
I was copying 5 combines, took $900 loss on Top Step, made it right back. Look on my account, and one combine was in eligible contracted support, and they gave me fresh XFA saying they didn't know what happened. Yeah, man, Top Step is pretty nice.
Yeah.
And they're fast too. Like, for example, like that happened, you kind of know by the end of the day or next day. Like, dude, I sent them a message, Tradeify, and I'm still waiting to hear back. Like, that annoys me.
Every month a different chart. Is it like that, Aaron?
Yeah, technically, I think it's every month a different chart, or maybe not every month, but every 2. I think it might be every month, bro. See, Top Step got me spoiled. I can't remember what it is. Like,
Fresh combine, okay. But yeah, usually we had some like stuff going on Top Step where like the page was bugging, and we got some XFAs back that we lost on that day, or even if we made money on that day, we got to keep it. And yeah, I feel like Top Step, I really have nothing bad to say against Top Step so far.
same.
Honestly.
Same. Yeah, during that outage, I took a trade on the XFA and on like 2 combines, and I took a small loss on the XFA because the markets were super crazy and bugging. And then the next day, they were like, "Yo, sorry for that. We've removed the loss from your accounts, and we're gonna give you a combine, and we're gonna give you an XFA."
Yeah. It's crazy. And then even I remember on one day where we couldn't trade because the whole page was down. I think everybody got a free combine or something, or free reset.
Oh yeah, they gave
something.
resets.
Yeah, resets, free resets. So yeah, I feel like they care about their users, and that's
Yeah.
important.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to be the biggest, and that's why they're probably the biggest, because FTMO was the biggest forex prop firm, or it is
Yep.
probably still, and their support was on point too. You could call them like their prices are horrible. I can say they are so expensive, but their support was just like Top Step. You can text them; they would be answering really fast and help you out. But yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Benji, I also don't get it, man. I also
Yeah.
don't get it. I think a lot of people are not a fan of the combines when it comes to Top Step because you can't pass it in one day. I think that's what most people have an issue with, but I'm A-okay with that because no consistency on the XFA is pretty nice.
On top one, you gotta have 10 days or something to get a payout.
Is it really 10 days?
I think on top one it is. I think you need
Dang.
10 winning days to take out 2.25 or something. Top one futures, yeah. And then their platform is just so bad compared to Top Step, Since Top Step claimed their platform just for their own.
I agree, Benji. I agree.
Yeah, maybe also some people, looking back when I started, I thought some of the market is rigged against me. The broker is rigged against me. The prop firm, because they just stopped me out on the dot, you know. So I was like double checking different charts to see if the wick really came down all the way to that, you know. And then some people might just be frustrated, quit trading or something, and just blame it on the prop firm and be like it's scam or something. So
Yeah.
I'm trading with Top Step now for a year, and I had literally no issue. Just everything was great.
And I've been with him for, I think, same amount of time or if not longer. Bro, I've never had one issue with Top Step, and I've also not had any payouts, not even one, like not even question. And
Yeah.
I've been traveling around doing different things, trading, like you know what I mean? So, bro, nothing.
We had NFP
Yeah.
trades in there, and they paid us out. We trade NFP on FOMC, CPI, the highest impact news, and they still pay us out. And man, they don't even question it because they say it's okay, and I love them for that.
Yeah. If the prop firm is not very like dodgy when it comes to payouts, I think that's a W either way.
Marlon, you've heard a lot about Lucid and E8 futures. Like positive or negative? What did you hear?
I've been hearing a lot of positive about Lucid.
Yeah? Yeah, Lucid comes, like, something comes to my mind when I hear this. I think I heard about it too. Somebody got a payout from Lucid.
I think it was AJ.
Yeah.
I think it was AJ.
Yeah, somebody got a payout from Lucid.
Wasn't it SP?
I think so.
Yeah, him too.
Yeah, we get some people.
Yeah.
But AJ just did, because I remember he was talking about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might gonna check out some more prop firms again once I have my Top Step full stacked again. But I don't know. Fresh year, I just cleared all my XFAs on the first news event, and I'll have to build them back again first. But then I'll look back for other prop firms probably.
Apex is shaky, lots of denials on payouts. Yeah, I've been hearing that too. Everyone has their own experience. Yep.
That's crazy.
I agree. Top Step have been flawless. Do you guys think they would be so good if we were taking multiple six figures in payouts regularly?
Yeah.
I think so
Yeah,
too.
I mean, people are doing it.
There are people,
you know?
yeah.
Many people are doing it.
See, I saw the stats, man. There's like only 3.5% or less that are getting multiple payouts. And you gotta think about it. There's like at least 95% of people that will not get a payout, so they are just paying Top Step. That's a lot of money. And even the
Yep.
people that get paid, they also still buy accounts, so you know, I mean, obviously if a guy makes like 60k a week, then it doesn't really matter if he buys 10 accounts, but there will be only a few of those people. And then yeah, they also move people to live, which will prevent them from losing their own capital. But I think Top Step is highly profitable.
Yeah, they've been alive for a very long time.
Yeah, and they have no problems paying people out like instantly.
Yeah, exactly. And I get what you're saying, Danny P. But out of all the prop firms, just in my experience and just in my own opinion, I think Top Step would be the last one to start doing like shady stuff once you get up there. You know what I mean? That's just how I feel, in my personal opinion. Like, if you start taking all those payouts like that, if you're doing that on any firm, bro, it's gonna be, you know what I'm saying, an issue.
I mean,
But again, I think Top Step would be the last one to give you an issue. That's just my own thoughts.
they kind of adjusted it. Like, there were people taking payouts, insane payouts, like 200k, 500k payouts. So they now limited the max payout amount to 5k, which I think makes sense, because then at some point the people, they are just risking, $50 or $100 on a combine basically. Then they pass it, then they are, scaling the account up, and at some point they're just going like 5 GC on a news trade, making like 50k, and then the prop firm gotta pay for all that. So I get it, like 5k payout from a 50k, I think that's fair enough, and you can and you should build your own accounts with that.
Yeah.
Like we said, like I think we said it yesterday, we will never know how long this whole prop firm game will be there for us. Maybe the government won't like it, and then they will all shut it down or regulate it, or we will not know. So just get your money and put it on the side.
Yeah. You said last night when they moved into Lava Top Step, there were a lot of problems with the platform. Oh, really?
Interesting.
Dang.
But we should
Like
record
problems
it. I would
how?
like to hear what JDZ had to say.
Same.
Yeah. So we got the 1 hour closing.
Yeah.
If we look at the bigger picture, yeah, there's this resistance. We tapped it at 49.60, and we will probably not close above there. Gold really needs some sort of pullback and then a support. So nothing for London Open.
Yeah, nothing yet.
Yeah, or like we need a pullback. Gold doesn't probably, but we need a pullback for a good trade. So let's wait.
Gold's like, let me show you something.
Yeah, I'm not testing you, Gold. I'm not testing you.
Right. Bro, I saw that, Marlon. Coinbase, bro, going crazy with all the updates. I can literally do anything now. I can like trade Forex. I can trade like crypto. I can trade futures. I can trade sports now. It's actually wild, bro. Like, bro, they trying to take over the whole game or what?
Nice, Marlon.
I think Joel did it. Joel was trading it inside Coinbase.
Yeah, Coinbase has a trading platform too.
Yep.
I never tested it, because I was only trading the meme coins on Bullhex.
But I tried it also on my wife's Coinbase and it wasn't there. So I think maybe it's just like a US update, or I don't know. Like, I have no clue. Polymarket. Yeah, it's basically the same as Polymarket. Yeah, I think Joel should know. Joel, let us know, bro. How much do you need in there? I think a couple thousand. get on that bot game on Poly Market. One account grew 1 million in like few months. Jeez, brother. Nine o'clock. You guys seen anything?
Nah. Nah, not for me. I would like to see this 15 come down. Maybe reject 13.3, or maybe even come all the way back down to that support at 0.2.1. Form a support and just carry on going up.
Mhm.
That's what I'll be waiting for. So resistance and then a little pullback and then supports and buys.
W.
Crazy.
If someone knows how to make bots, message me. If we knew how to make successful bots, I promise you, I'm sorry, Alex, I wouldn't be here.
Yeah, Allison knows.
I'm kidding. How's the bot doing, Allison? Is it keeping you at B? Be honest with me.
Right. I kind of want to play against the bot, see if I can get a payout before the bot, you know?
I mean, nowadays you can do your own bot with a good AI.
Yeah.
You
I'm a
don't.
boomer, bro. You think
Yeah, it writes the code for you. You just
I'm about to be
need.
stealing my own money? Like,
You
what?
just need to give it like a lot of details, and then it will spit out a code that will probably not work, and then you just copy all of the errors the system sends you, and then it will figure them out.
W, bro.
I saw people building their own bots. 'Cause I was also like doing my own indicator on TradingView, but the bot is a little bit more work. You really gotta define some rules and stuff, but it works. You can make it work. Yeah, AB, if the bot goes full margin, maybe it went off tilt, you know? The clanker went off tilt.
Even my shoulder.
Right? I just try to throw you guys off with the boomer comments, but literally I'm just building my own bot over here. DJ VDM.
Allison, don't interfere.
Hilarious.
We want purely bot data. An old school movie. So relaxing, bro. Oh,
Hey, David. What's up, brother? I think people get swayed with top ones, instant funding route. Yeah, I think so too. I'm honestly not a big fan of the instant fundeds, bro. I'm gonna say it. I said it. Not a big fan. Because I think they're too expensive, and I think that they get people's, like, they trick people's minds, and then they could easily just learn more and through a combine, and it's cheaper, and then pass, and then actually get the account, and then that's just what I think. This is just my own personal feelings, of course. But Yep. Obviously, if you have the technique and things like that, instant can be good, but you know how that goes.
Sorry, Marlon.
Bro, just start bringing a pillow to work. AJ.
Morning, AJ. Good morning.
AJ, you have Lucid, right? Or you trade with Lucid, right?
Aaron, I haven't had a coffee yet, bro.
Yeah.
Get one.
Okay, just blow my ears off, you know.
Yeah, you got 8 minutes. Anyway.
Yeah, but even if I don't think I can do anything on this 15.
Yeah.
So I need to see the next 15 close in any case, so it's okay.
There's a lot
Be right
of
back,
time.
make a coffee.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Lucid and Alpha. Yeah, there was somebody having a question about Lucid, right?
Yeah, that's what I asked. I know. Have you ever seen?
Listening to different music, I can put that on YouTube.
No,
I feel excluded.
me too. I just went to Georgia's thing too because everyone's singing. I'm like, yo, how do I put Aaron on mute? Oh my gosh! You have to click
Yo.
my name and go to mute and then hit the check mark. I'm joking. Your voice is one of.
Yo, I had to come back for that comment, bro.
You
I
got
love it.
George laughing and walking back to the
I
desk.
remember
just
George
for this.
sprinted back just to laugh at that. I hope he made his day.
He
Aaron.
said,
Just so you know that.
"How do I put Aaron?"
You know, that's it. I'm muting myself.
Oh, no. I'll be right back.
Alex, why you have to do him like this, man? Yo, no. Ah, we know, all good. Yeah, that was the funniest part. George was even funnier. Walking here. Ah man, gold just don't wanna come down. Morning sunshine. So, you guys took anything today? Got anything in London? I know you guys took something in Asia. But did you guys take the breakout? Played out pretty nice.
Nah, I was looking for sales, so I did execute on one sell idea. It's all like 100 something bits, but I wanted to hold it full, and I took a loss on that. But EME was killing it, bro. We had a really funny Asian session. So TND was in a trade, Joel was in a trade. I put both of their trades on the screen, and we were just watching both the trades, like who wins.
Yeah.
TND was in on gold, Joel was in on silver. TND was going to get profits, Joel was going to get drawn out. It was funny, bro. But at the end, both of them played out perfectly.
Nice. Yeah, Asia has some nice moves lately.
Yeah, true, bro.
And then London is just slow. Really slow.
That was the TND trade, and that was the Joel.
Hey yo, Benji, thank you. Appreciate you, man. But I'm
Bro,
not
even Ben was
appreciating
there
gold.
last night.
Who was there, Benji?
Yeah,
Nice.
but brother was so quiet. Right. It was the end. Benji started typing in the chat.
Oh, you cut off there.
Yeah, no, I was saying that Benji was so quiet last night,
Oh,
but towards the end, yeah, we got him on the keyboard as well.
I mean it's late at night for the most people here, I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah, no.
I'd be quiet too.
Yeah. And we were blasting Linkin Park, bro.
Yeah, but London makes it hard recently.
What, bro?
London just makes it hard to get into a trade based on the high time frames. There's nothing really I like.
Bro, London. London just doesn't. It's not clean, anyways, these
Yeah.
days.
And Y just gives way better moves. So, I mean, 930 has been such a nice move these past weeks. And then we have London Open, which has always been like so boring.
Hmm.
Oh, really, ASD? You like it? Dang. Yeah, I guess you see, there's like strategies for every market condition, and if you're working on that, that's great, man. I feel like my personal style and my trading does not work on these, kind of more choppy ranges where it's not really giving a lot of good price action on the higher time frames with like nice pullbacks and stuff. I don't really feel confident in those markets, but some others do, so that's great, man. The good thing is the conditions always change. So if there's like a condition that you can't trade in right now, then just wait a week. Be careful, risk less.
Where did everybody go? George, are you in a coffee plantation trying to create coffee or what? Like, what?
Yeah, George is picking up some coffee beans, and then
Okay.
Aaron is I
Hey,
think
Aaron.
Aaron is still crying because the people they wanted to mute him.
Ah, people are being rude to Aaron.
Yeah.
Aaron, unmute, brother. Time we take the revenge. Let's call out some straight, instant stop loss trades. The crowd
The
has spoken.
tribe has-
Guys, stop this Aaron abuse. Stop it. Alex, apologize.
the tribe.
And I was waiting till everyone was like, "Oh, Aaron, come back." Man, no one said nothing. You know.
Hey.
Nah, bro, come on. Bro, you had the Mr. 1001. Bro, 1001 pip.
Let's go. Let's go. Don't forget it. He said, "Listen, I don't need one." No, bro, it's all good.
The tribe has spoken.
Yes, Alex, mute yourself.
It's like, wait, what? Nah, that was really funny. Upendra. What's up, brother? I think George fell into his coffee.
Anyways, guys, how's everybody doing?
All right. How you doing, AB?
I'm good, bro. I'm in my bed, inside my
Nice.
blanket. Yeah,
You nice and warm.
trying to wake up. But last night Asian was lit, though.
You wrapped yourself in
Oh.
1,000 pips?
Nah. I mean, that's Aaron for the day. Asian was fire, first of all, because when we started pre-market, that was fun. And after that, JDZ, finally, he got his mic to work somehow. He hopped on. Then we spoke about a lot of things. Lots of things. Yeah, that was crazy. The grand, hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah.
AB, what are you doing this weekend, bro?
Bro, this weekend, bunch of birthdays, bro, that I need to attend.
So, bad week to come through?
Nah, not like that. Let me get back to you on that, bro.
Right. Happy birthday, AB.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Abby.
Hey.
Thank you, George.
Let's go back. Laren, what the heck, bro? You missed out on. Oh, it's actually not that much of a difference, bro.
It's actually wild.
Yeah, the ranges are definitely smaller. Definitely.
Happy birthday.
I think.
YOLO.
YOLO.
YOLO, you're fired.
YOLO, welcome.
George just wants to fire someone up.
You're
for, like,
fired.
so bad.
Unlimited power. What's up, YOLO? Good to see you, brother.
It's okay, YOLO. They made me shut up.
Bro, I told you, I was the one who told you to unmute.
Even George came back to laugh at me, bro. He was gone. He went back.
Bro, that was so funny. That's why my coffee took a little bit longer.
And there's no way you could have gotten in on these buys.
No,
I know
no,
you're
I
on the team
wouldn't.
anyways,
I wouldn't
but-
be in these buys. No,
Yeah.
no low wick as well, but this resistance in the way. I'm gonna move this here. This one is now irrelevant. Honestly, we're actually in a better range here on the 30. Looks nice. Bless YOLO, blessed. We got lots of people in the Discord, which is such a blessing. We got people on the live. Thank you everyone for pulling up. You guys are the best.
W.
Yeah, even though London's been pretty boring when it comes to the trades and the price action, but yeah, it's only the beginning of the year. We will get some better sessions coming up.
Yeah. London will pick up. I promise you.
We
It
just
will
need
pick up.
these. I mean, we used to be having London open, and then we see a push like 9:30, and now we have London open, and we just see price dingling some way without getting some good price action for us to get in. So, yeah, patience.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna bounce. Y'all keep strong, and then I'll see you guys for invite.
Yes, sir. Peace,
Alright,
AB.
brother.
Have a blessed day, G.
Big boys.
Peace.
Peace,
Yes,
AB.
sir.
Peace.
Radio Dino.
Yeah, Discord, come and like the YouTube stream. We would really appreciate showing some love. I think most of you did already, so thank you very much.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Alex, you got another request, bro? I got you.
DJ George.
Yes, sir. That's me. Has anyone been taking trades in this pump up? I'm curious to know. I know a lot of people here trade different time frames, so maybe there was something on the 5 minute that is not visible on the 30 or the 15 on the 1. If not, I totally understand you because I haven't either. You know, now definitely waiting for some sort of a pullback here and support for buys.
You know the vibe, you know what we want.
Yeah.
Today the breakout would have played out. But
the next 10 it won't.
yeah, it's just it's okay.
Yeah.
It's also about like if you're in a breakout trade and then you go up, I'm feeling like paranoia that it will just crash down any second. So I'm like, you know, kind of want to go break even quick and then close some, and because yeah, I can't trust the breakout anymore somehow. Just my journal tells me the stats are horrible on it.
Yeah.
At least for the last for the Q4 of last year. Breakouts
Yeah,
didn't work
look,
out at
I
all.
would say, like, if price is consolidating and then you get a breakout of that consolidation, is good. But if there's just some random resistance and price closes above it, that's when we feel what you just described. It's like, oh, it could crash right now. But once price is consolidating a lot and then we get a breakout out of that consolidation range first time, I think then we are like, okay, this should either pump or dump. Then we have more faith in the move. Would you agree?
I agree. I
Yeah.
agree. And also, if we have like the 4 hour, I mean, it was right at 8 a.m. So we had the forward just opened up. And then if we don't have a bottom wick yet, I feel like on the 15 and everything, it also makes sense to get a pullback. And we don't really get anything. It's hard for me to trust the breakout, because then if I'm in and then we create the bottom wick, I would feel like an idiot, because I probably should.
Mm,
You know.
yeah. Should just waited.
Yeah, I'd rather let the move play out without me than be in it and then feel like a loser, because I saw the bottom wick coming in and ignored it.
Exactly, bro. And we're not trying to force nothing.
Yeah.
We're literally not. We've got multiple sessions in the day. For all of you that are here for London and are not there for New York, I'm very sorry. I hope London will pick up soon, but New York has been crazy good sessions. If you guys are interested, we do have a website. You can check it out. If not, that's okay. But London should pick up, and once it does, it will be great. But yeah, we're not here to force anything that is outside of what we're looking for, because we know we have more opportunities coming up. So yeah.
W. Patience.
Discipline, yep.
Disappoint.
That'll come soon, Upendra. Don't worry. But he does a lot of breakdowns on how he trades. Ooh, thank you, shorts.
Yeah, so far we only have the playbook for the higher time frames, but we are working on some more content in the future. I mean, the school and everything.
It's coming. But also we don't want to just do anything right now and then, it not make sense or it not go well together. So that's why also we're trying to set it up in a way that you guys gonna get the most out of it. And it can translate right to the charts. Hopefully.
All right, Marlon. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Yeah, brother. Thanks for pulling up. It's always a blessing to
Alright.
see you, man. Have a blessed day.
Peace, Marlon. Blessed day, brother. I feel like Marlon is low-key goated because he was our first person outside of, stream to
Yeah.
join us.
Yeah, my music, that. You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean. You know what I mean, John. Because I'm always saying, you know what I mean.
Volume is dying out on us, man.
Bro, that's so crazy, man. I feel so bad for you. W, bro. Resilience. Overcome.
Yes, sir.
Nice job.
I was I was in a blessed position. Top Step was banned in my country, so I left the country and came to Greece just to trade Top Step. Yeah, I'm aware I was in a very fortunate and blessed position to be able to do that. And I'm very grateful that I was able to do that, yeah. So I do know the struggles though, John.
Dang, man. All the decisions you made that led you to now becoming profitable and getting the money out of the markets, you know? You could have just... I mean, there was like this job offer for you, and you could have stayed in South Africa, and you just overran all these obstacles to...
Obstacles.
Yeah,
Yeah, I suppose.
and you still made it, and that's a huge respect to you, George.
Yeah,
Not,
thanks,
not
brother.
only did he still make it, he went for it. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? So many people would have saw that opportunity and folded, but George is like, no, man, I want this so bad, man. I want this so much. I'm willing to.
Oh, you cut off.
Good.
I
Big
think
W.
my Discord cut off by the end, but I think...
Oh,
All of our Discords cut off, I think.
Ah, okay.
Sadly.
Discord,
Yeah.
come on, man. We
Nah,
might have to
Discord's
cancel our Nitro subscription if they don't. You know.
right? Ain't worth the fee.
What you
Portugal
do before
soon.
trading? Benji, I was studying. I was studying, and I was playing rugby. I still play rugby. I don't study anymore. I study the markets. Yeah, sure. I was also a barman actually for a few years, while I was studying and trading. I mean,
Really?
and playing rugby. Yeah, I was a barman for
Can't
like
see that
3
for
years.
some
Yeah.
reason. That's so funny.
What do you do before trading?
Thank you, Allison. Thank you, Allison. I just answered that, Benji. I mean, you know,
Oh yeah, my bad.
But if you didn't hear it, Benji probably didn't hear it.
Maybe I was just distracted by the chat. I'm not sure right now. So
Oh, okay. We like Tom Cruise and you know what? You know what, Allison? You best believe I was.
We're in a BPO firm. That's dope, John.
bro, George did the Mission Impossible.
That's funny. Yeah, I use Tom Cruise as my stunt double. What about you, Benji? What do you do? Do you trade full time? And if not, what do you do besides trading? All right, Goldie.
Trade
Will
full time,
we-
nice. The
Goes
dream.
back below. Oh, Benji, W, bro. W. Biggest blessing to be able to do this and live off of it. We spoke about it either yesterday or last week, but it's such a blessing to be able to do this and live off of it. And then in the future, because of this, our families will be able to live freely. So yeah, huge blessing. You're right, Legrand. I hate everything else. My bad.
Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Maybe fill that way up to 71, 72, maybe. Almost 1 hour.
Bro, George, now you're giving
Sales for a
me...
while.
You're giving me some new stuff
A
to create.
desire to want to watch. Oh no, bro. Yeah. Bro, please. Please, bro. I was reading Big G's message. Give me a second. Was out for a while. They need to get out of the environment. Work at bar at 9 to Lynn Porter. The day when I started learning trade. W, bro. Yeah, I mean, I was a bartender when I was beginning to trade, you know. And I honestly hated that environment. It's what made me quit alcohol. It made me not ever want to be in that sort of environment ever again because it was just so, I don't know. I don't even know how to explain it. I couldn't stand
Grimy?
it. But some people had to do, you know, sometimes we gotta do what we gotta do, whether we like it or not. And that's okay. Just gotta push through.
Amen.
It's never the final goal, you know what I mean? It's just something that had to be done.
Yeah.
But I'm also sure you probably learned valuable life lessons in those times.
Of course, bro.
And he learned what he didn't want
course
to do.
you did.
So W.
Yeah. 100% Benji.
Preach, bro.
Can't grow in your comfort zone. So if you're always in your comfort zone, you're never gonna grow. God often puts us in very uncomfortable situations so that we can grow and become stronger, not because he wants to see us suffer, but instead wants to see us flourish.
But sometimes, why do we think that it's because we feel like it's suffering? You know what I mean? Which is crazy.
Yeah, because in the moment it's awful, but
Mhm.
then in hindsight, you know, when you can be out of that and look at it from an outside perspective, you're like, wow, I needed that, you know?
Yeah. Changes you.
Yes, I see trials as blessing. Trials are truly blessings. Truly.
Cobra,
Yeah, Benji.
Cobra GT, let me know if the link works. We updated it yesterday, so it should work. But we never know with Discord.
Benji, that's hilarious. He said, "Don't mess up an elderly British man's pint. Doesn't go down well."
It really doesn't, though. Thanks, Upendra. Thank you.
W. George.
Thanks, bro.
Before I did trading, I was like wrapping foils on cars and stuff. So if you had like a company that wanted to have their logo on their car, I was the guy to, you know, put the foils on. We printed shirts. We did like big signs and stuff. Yeah, I even wrapped my own car twice, like fully wrapped it.
I don't know what that means.
In a foil, you know, change the color instead of
Okay.
spray painting it. You know, just wrap it in a foil.
Okay.
If you ever buy like a brand new car, it makes sense to wrap it, because then you save you know you prevent the original paint from being damaged, and you can change the
Okay.
color however you like with still keeping the original paint underneath. And then when you sell it, you
Wow.
just take off the foil, and
Take it
you
off.
have you have the original paint under it, no scratches on it, nothing, still new.
Okay.
So yeah, that's what I did for like 5-6 years.
Sweet, bro.
You really got a
AJ,
client, you know.
I got a client. Hey.
Yeah.
AJ's
Yeah,
looking for
Alex.
cells.
Alex, we gonna wrap our cars. I'll wrap my car too. We do it together.
W.
Have you seen a new spray? Oh yeah, like a sprayable. I think you can use it pretty well if you wanna, wrap your wheels and stuff, because getting the foil in between these, ridges and stuff, it often breaks. So I think it works pretty well there, but for the I haven't seen it for like the whole car, because I feel like the foil is just pretty quick and easy to apply. Okay. I have to check it out, man. I haven't looked at techniques of that for like since I've been in trading for like 3 years. I haven't been updated on anything on that, so might have to check it out, man. Sounds interesting.
Rainbow rap that sounds crazy, bro.
Yeah, it's I mean, it's a lot of work, but it's fun, kind of.
Bro, you know what? You know what I thought of the moment I read sprayable rap?
What?
Has anyone here seen Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs? Anyone?
Yeah, I have.
You guys know the spray on shoes that he invented? That's what I thought of.
I would say you have to have like a good feeling for the material and stuff, If you're like more of a, I don't know how to say it in English. If you're like more of a person that does stuff rough, then yeah, it's probably not for you, because you gotta be on point with the foil and the heat and everything. And if you do too much, that will just crack, and then it's ruined. Or you will get bubbles underneath and stuff. So yeah, you also need patience on that. Thanks, AJ. You wanna check that out?
Thanks, Benji.
I think I'm done here, my brothers.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna wait for this 30 closure.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll wait for you guys, but we'll see.
What do you think, Inosh?
Yeah, I don't see anything.
I kind of
common
like. I like 30 closing back below.
for sales.
Yeah.
Everything tap target.
Yeah, but look at
Yeah.
the bullish momentum though. That's the only. But all targets definitely been tapped by 100%.
Yeah, pullback makes sense here the most.
Yep.
Yeah, if this 30 close like strong bullish, bearish,
Needs
I
to be
mean,
strong bearish.
yeah, then maybe I like the idea.
Mm-hmm.
Makes sense, because we are waiting on this pullback for a long time now, and I think a lot of people got into sales at some point, and they were too early and got stopped out, so maybe we can now stop out some buyers here that got in on the break of these highs, because we kind of had like a breakout, right? If you see the resistance on the left, this 15-minute broke out, and then maybe some people, or definitely some people, took buys on the break of these highs, and now maybe they get trapped and we can come all the way back down, and all the sellers that took the buys up are now closing their positions, getting out, and then we see gold coming down. That's the plan behind these sells. 30 minutes, so yeah, we're gonna wait on that, I guess, and then we see.
Yeah.
My dad does signs like neon D-bond signs, ETC, and he puts logos on his hand. Yeah, exactly, that's what I did too. Yep.
Would you do like commercials on cars? You know,
Yeah, yeah,
that kind of thing.
yeah, mostly.
Oh, nice. I get it.
Like their logo and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes they also had like their half car wrapped, you know, with like some pictures and designs. And the most annoying part about that job was like you had to clean the cars, like deep clean them, everything. There couldn't be any hair or anything on it, you know, so there was a lot of work to do. And then the applying the foil thing, that was kind of relaxing and like meditating, kind of almost. You get into some kind of flow state, you know, you just do it. But the pre-work is kind of annoying, and then you gotta clean up all the mess. And E-bond signs, so we also had like a saw for that and put them together. Oh nice, you wrapped it yourself? W, Alex. It's pretty tough if you do it the first time. No, I wish. Okay. Yeah, it does. All good. If you're a beginner, I wouldn't tell you, recommend you to wrap your own car, because it will probably not look what you want it to look like. So yeah, but there's like, you know, courses and stuff to it, so there's people that can teach you how to do it in like 1 or 2 weeks, if you bring a little bit of talent to it, of course. There's always tricks to everything, just like in trading. Experience is also like a big part, of course, but first you need like a playbook, and then you get the experience. Yeah, I think I rather watch somebody wrap my car than doing it myself again, honestly. Maybe I help a little bit. Tell them where they messed up. Oh no, that's like the worst type of customer. If you know, standing next to the thing and telling you, oh, look at this, and you're not even done on the work yet. That was stressing me, man. How's your coffee, George?
It's already running low.
Dang.
That's okay. But it's good though. It's good. Gold is just. Should I say London is putting me to sleep? But that's okay. Because we up here.
Yeah, for London
We
you
blessed.
also need a lot of patience right now.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Like now there's nothing we're waiting for more, you know. At least in New York, you're like, oh, we've got New York open, oh, we have comics open, oh, we have news, and then boom, we have NYC open, you know? Like there's many things. Here we've got London open, which is when the market dies. I can't wait for London to kick off though, for London to be booming. Because it's gonna come.
Yeah. It might be tomorrow. Might be next week. I mean, we also have the beginning of the month, which is also often like why, oh man, these lightnings. If you go to the monthly chart, man, so annoying. But yeah, this monthly just opened. But it already printed so huge. Such a huge bottom wick, and now we flipped up. Interesting, man.
Oh, at these lows? Alright, AJ. You ballsy man. See what happens. I'm also expecting a pullback at this level, AJ, so I don't blame you, but I need to see the 30 close not just below, but strong bearish to confirm my suspicion of a pullback. Otherwise, I'm not fighting this. We got like 6 minutes, so may as well wait.
Alright, man. Five minutes for this 30-minute. I would love to see it come down now.
Yeah. Yeah, me too. Me too. I don't want to see it like just driving in the last minute because then it's probably just gonna do its own thing, the usual, you know, drive down, boom, no bottom wick, boom.
Yep.
Keep driving down, previous candles, no bottom wick, doesn't form a top wick.
Flipping somewhere.
Yeah.
And then just chopping around until NY. What is today? Tuesday? Yeah.
Yes.
What's news? Got any news today? Let's see.
Let us see.
Tentative. Oh, do we have a shutdown again?
Oh, is it back?
I read something about
Oh, there's a shutdown.
there's a shutdown, yeah.
US government may be impacted by the shutdown.
Oh my god, bro.
So close to CPI, bro. So close to NFP. Dang.
Welcome back, Legrand. No NFP. Probably.
Yeah, NFP got removed already.
Oh, dang.
It's not there, yeah.
Man.
CPI is still there for next week, Wednesday, but NFP has been removed.
Trading
Rip.
has really been crazy. With all this
Yeah, but
stuff
like,
going on.
guys, there was a time we were waiting for NFP, and it got delayed like 2 or 3 months, bro. And we
Yeah.
never got that NFP, bro.
We're like, alright, it's back, maybe we get it. And then, nah, it's still shut
Yeah.
down, Get your stuff together, America.
That was about to pop off? Yeah, oh, you're right. We are popping off. Now this looks like a healthy bearish 30-minute candle.
Yeah. Let's just leave a bottom
But it's
way.
doing exactly what we said we didn't want it to do. Just drive down in the last 2 minutes.
Yeah, that's why I kind of want to see it, stop now. There's clean range to go down. At least until like 38, 7. W awkward. Making money here. Delay on YouTube is crazy. Let me see. It's 10 seconds. If you want no delay, you can join Discord though. We have all the streams on Discord running. You can also watch George screen, Aaron screen, AB whenever he's on or lose. So I'll just let you. I'll drop you in the link for the Discord if you wanna join. There's 0 delay on that. The problem on YouTube is if we go less delay, then the quality gets really bad. So you won't be able to read the numbers on the chart. And then we had people complaining about that. So there's like either one of those problems. Either we're gonna have like almost no delay, but then the quality will get worse, or we have better quality, but then we have like 10 seconds delay.
So we got the closure.
Oh yeah.
It's a little bit iffy, but if we can come down,
Create a low.
maybe grab the low, or at least just create the low, I'll place a sell stop. But it needs to come down, make a little low, because of when we go and print with no bottom wick, it may just come down, grab the lows, and then go back up. It happens a lot. So I'd much rather see that flip and grab and not be in, and wait for it to then flip back bullish and then place my sell stop, as opposed to placing it now and hoping for the best. So I'll wait for that and see what happens.
Oh, awkward. I just said W sells, man. You made some money.
So let's see if this 30 can flip. Make a low, flip again. If not, yeah. Look, we also closed a little bit lower than I would have expected. That's why I'm also a little bit more hesitant on this. But if we can get that, I'll still be interested in this.
I like that the 15 close below this support though.
Yeah, support.
Yeah, we need some kind of. I don't want to be the first one to get faked out. So
Yeah, nah. Need more confirmation.
yeah, let it grab those and then come back up.
Woo!
Now we made a low. Now we broke the low.
And we try.
We no drive. See if we can reflip bullish and then I'm still interested.
Yep.
W move, AJ.
Yeah, AJ. I saw you call that one out earlier too, bro. W. Looking for that move the whole time.
This is one.
Looking for sells if we break 49.50 based on the London VWAP. That was at 940.
I'll have to sell stuff here. Going very low risk on this, because it's a counter trend. I have a payout already waiting for me, so yeah, I'll manage at this wick fall for sure if we get it.
Yeah, I'm going 1 MGC.
Yeah, same.
Order filled.
Okay, now we're in. Let's see if we can get this thing to keep going down. Or a little pullback. If not, that's okay.
The new 5-minute.
I did close the support, which is not fantastic.
Yeah.
With a lot of rejection, so we'll see.
I'll leave a little bit of room for the break of the 5-minute highs.
Yeah.
Just in case.
Yeah. Now we see the one I will also close resistance, which is nice, but yeah, this thing is crazy. Come on, Goldie. You don't even want to make a bottom wick on that 5, bro.
That's not good.
Yeah, it's okay. It's all right.
I don't think it's that bad. It just opened up with the top wick, you know, so.
I doesn't like the impulsive move up.
Yeah. But if it flips on the 5, you know, comes down with some, that's what I mean, some momentum, then. But I know what you mean. It's not how you want to see it open up, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
grabbing
actually
the
we
lows.
wanted to see it continue that bearish momentum, but now we've let go of that bearish momentum
Right.
because of this pullback. Yeah, and the break of this low was supposed to continue driving as opposed to doing what it's doing now, because we already formed the high, right? So we didn't actually need to come back up and form a new high, right? So yeah,
Makes sense.
if this high breaks, it's probably gonna either just go up or range, or yeah. But this is why we went really low risk on this.
Mhm.
So far the highs are holding. Let's see if we can go down.
Yeah,
I want
yeah.
to see this current 5 flip personally.
That would be nice.
Come down with some heat. Where do you have your stops? I guess I can look.
49, 48.7.
Okay. Stay.
Usually I would say that this is a lower volume time, but honestly, watching that 30 lead like that, it got me interested.
I think at 10 you still got some nice volume though.
Yeah,
Just, I think if we break the highs, we just don't want to move down here.
yeah.
Which is okay. Was worth a shot anyway.
I agree. I agree.
Come on, Goldie.
Needs to reject now.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Come on.
Yeah, we either keep these highs or we re-snag them and then re-break the low,
Mhm.
or we go up. Yeah, did we just broke the highs, right?
Technically, yeah.
Yeah.
Nipped it. Come on, with some momentum down.
Bleed now. Bleed.
Right.
Now or never.
Come on. Push. Oh.
More. No.
Yeah.
Reject. This one needs to close strong bearish on a 1.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise it's tough. Okay.
Come on.
Not a terrible 1 minute closure. Would have been nice if it closed below that structure though.
Yeah.
5
And
close.
it's a new 5, right?
Yeah.
Come on, with some heat now. I don't like when Goldie don't like, you know what I mean, start playing around. I don't like all that. You know? Come on. Some heat.
Crash
Yeah,
down.
but I mean,
Crash.
this is the move we planned it. We have to execute on it, so what happens, happens.
Yep.
Whether gold wants to play with us or not.
Right. Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. But
If we
regardless,
re-break
yeah,
these lows and
yeah.
don't push, I'll look. But yeah, we need to re-break these lows before I can do anything. There's nothing I can do now in this trade.
Yep.
Come on, 5.
I want the 5 minutes to come back up now, please. Just stay down there.
Oh, I thought you said you want the 5 minutes to
Yeah,
come
you
back
did.
up.
Nah, I don't.
I was also like, what are you seeing, bro? I'm not seeing that. That's funny.
Yeah, now I like the highs. I like to stop at these highs because we did re-break them.
Yeah.
They should not re-break if we want to come down. And if we re-break them, yeah,
At that point, it makes no sense
I
to be in the
want to be
trade.
out.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
At
it's
that point, you probably at least test 56.
and then it's a small loss. It's all good.
Right. Really need to break this low, man.
Don't let the buyers get control here.
Right, that's what I mean. We gotta break this low, man. Preferably break 30. Come on, man. Come on, Goldie.
Did my music stop? It did. That's why.
Come on, George.
Why is it not playing?
Because you're
There
in
we
trade.
go. Boom.
Boom.
Oh, I should stop the music.
Bro, I used to do that stuff too. Like, you know what I mean? Like, whatever.
That's the wrong boom, gold.
No, let me go do that again. It's so funny because you think that like doing those things can control the trade, like or something. You know?
Absolutely not. Yeah, it means nothing, bro.
What you mean?
But they feel like they work. So
Blowing on the screen doesn't help.
what do you mean, bro? I'm 4-0.
That's 50% of my strategy.
Turn the screen upside down.
That's a good idea. About to hit full TP. Ah, nah, man. This 5 minute.
Mhm.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see.
Got the 15 closing now.
Not
Be
like
nice.
I do not want to see this 15 close bullish.
Yeah, this 1 minute needs to close bearish somewhat.
Feel like we need to break the low at 30. If we can do that, then
we
Even
just,
at this 15 closure, there's not much we can manage yet.
yeah, we are just completely caught in this right now.
yeah.
Yeah, but it'd be nice if we close below this, which we did.
Nice.
So not the worst closure. I definitely wouldn't say it's the best either. But we did close below the structure, yeah.
It's just crashed
Some
out.
heat out. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
We don't need a
If it
top
does
wick.
come down and breaks those lows, I will move my stops to this high. Because if it flips,
Yeah.
I would anticipate it to fill the wick.
True.
Yeah,
So
if we
if we
flip,
break these lows, I will move my stops.
I think that's a good play. Come on.
Ah. It's getting
Yeah,
scary.
but we need to break those lows. we
If
need
it
to break
comes-
these lows.
If it comes for the top wick, it's getting scary. Oh,
Oh,
break him.
We didn't break the lows
Come on.
yet.
Bruh.
Crazy. We got volume though.
yeah.
It's just now if we flip, it may not work in our favor.
Yeah, but 1 minute no bottom myself. Come on, just flip and
I mean, we have
Most
the, we see it like tickling up slowly, yeah, and then we see it crash down. So I feel like we have the right side picked for the move, but
Yeah.
I'm kind of just scared we get liquidated before it oh,
There we
never
go.
mind,
Oh,
alright.
oh,
I might just go break even at this point, man.
Yeah, I'm
Pretty
I'm gonna
good.
go BE. Because the way that
Gonna
this
go
shit's
for
down, it
candle.
could easily just shoot
Yeah.
up, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Rather take the
I don't
BE.
like that really.
Either we
Yeah,
continue
same.
now or it's okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I agree.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm out.
Yeah, I'm out B.
I think it's the right move. I think it's come back up. Let's see.
Yeah. Usually when
It
we
could.
have like these out of nowhere prints,
Yep.
it just instantly rejects like we do right now. We would be in drawdown again.
Yeah.
And now we would be
Yeah.
hoping that we don't hit our stops that we trailed up here. So yeah, this is
And
just
if it flips,
yeah, go on.
I said, and if it flips, I feel like it's gonna come up with so much bullish pressure and momentum that your stop's probably gonna get hit at that point. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I like the BE call, and I'm sorry, I expected us to keep bleeding there. Like I don't, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
I don't like that
We have that the move that we go BE comes with experience. We have seen this happening where we just print down heavily and we get all excited that we're gonna, get our 200 pip bleeder now, and then it just instantly rejects and hits our stops. And nowadays,
Exactly.
when we see that, we go BE because we know if it wants to bleed down, it's not coming back up
will.
now. Yeah.
Yeah.
And if not, then it just go BE because this would have almost hit us. Definitely scary.
Yeah, no,
to
either
be
way,
still
either
in.
way. Like
Yeah.
if it wanted to carry on bleeding, it would have been awesome, but it didn't. We
Right.
rejected instantly after that drop, and now I don't trust this move. In any
Right.
case, no matter what happens now, I don't trust it. I don't care if it drives to full target. I don't care if it goes up, but yeah, if like that random drop, we've seen it a million times, and that instant rejection, I promise you, is very scary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly, because we get back into this range, we just got out with a lot of volume, and then we closed bullish back inside on a 1 minute. Pretty scary. But yeah, W management, man. W trade.
Yeah.
Was a nice shot. We waited for the second rebreak of the lows. It still chopped around, waited on this next 15 to open. This still doesn't have a top wick. We also have to think about that. So now we break the lows. We want to manage it, go and break even. And what happens now is just up to goalie at this point. We will look for another trade in NY, and we'll probably have a better move because we had just last week and these last days always had great moves on NY, and London was just a little bit chopped. Well, a little bit is a little bit under.
Or did low something?
Just holding.
Oh,
Nice.
hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, yes, George, I can hear. We can hear both of you.
Oh, I can only hear you guys now.
Oh,
Yeah.
Discord, what are you doing?
You guys were both talking. I was sitting here cracking up at the same time.
No, we were both talking. I couldn't hear George.
Yeah, both of you on top
Dang.
of each other. I was like, I don't think they know because this is ridiculous.
Yeah, the good thing is YouTube wouldn't hear George then either, so that's alright.
Oh, that's funny. Nah. Oh, okay, W. Yeah, I mean, look, that there was a push here. If you were in a little bit bigger size, I mean, you saw nearly 90 pips, so W move either way. If you risked a bit lower,
And George, you're gone again. Dang.
but yeah, it's crazy that we got 90 pips and we think it was nothing. You know, we did actually see 90 pips. But yeah, I think London, that concludes our session. YouTube, can you guys hear me?
Yeah,
Or no?
yeah, now we hear you.
Okay, I'm just making sure because I did an outro and then I realized no one could hear me.
I didn't know why.
London, thank you YouTube everyone for pulling up. Discord, Thank you guys as well. Thank you for your support. Leave a like on the stream if you did enjoy it. If not, that's okay. Keep coming around. Maybe eventually you'll start to enjoy it. But W session, W patience, and W execution. And yeah,
sir.
the rest of the Discord, you know who you are, our precious members. We will see you in a bit for New York to catch more pips. But thank you all for joining and have a blessed day in London. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
Sure. Thanks, everybody. Peace.
Thank you. Hey.
Peace, gang.
Do it.
Peace.